Matthew, read the results. What does it say?
I don't know what the first is.
Well, just try to sound it out.
No, it's cursive. I can only read the rest.
What does the rest say?
It says, Matthew, you are going to have a little brother. Oh. It says brother.
Matthew, read it.
It says brother.
Matthew Joseph.
It says brother.
You better read it,
Give
Matthew.
me the paper then, Matthew.
Matthew.
Okay, you know what? You're going to get no allowance if you don't read
What does it say?
Sister! What? You swear?
We're having a sister!
You swear, Matthew?
Let me see.
Let me see. Babe, why did you say it was a boy?
I never said anything. David and Matthew, you are going to have a little sister.
Oh my God. You're lying.
That means yes.